Many of the most attractive men in history had one thing in common: a buzz cut. From legends like Brad Pitt to modern icons like the streamer Marlon, the buzz cut represents the ideal look for a man, but not everyone can pull it off. A buzz cut can either elevate your look completely or make all your existing insecurities stand out even more. Please don't go into it blind. Watch this video first and see if it will actually fit you. Everyone who can pull off a buzz cut has a solid hairline. This is obvious, but it's where you start. If your hairline is decent, clean, even, or slightly receded but symmetrical, you're probably good to go. The buzz cut shows everything. So if your hairline is uneven, patchy, or shows too much of your forehead, it'll be the first thing people notice. A common factor between the guys who can pull off buzz cuts and the guys who can't are the eyebrows. Thick, defined eyebrows are ideal for a buzz cut. This is what helps the intense and masculine look that we want with a buzz. If your eyebrows are unkept and thin, your face won't look good without hair. Likewise, if you have face fat or puffy cheeks, a buzz cut is not the right choice for you. This is a deal breaker. Buzz cuts look good on lean faces. If you can already see fat in your face, a buzz cut will only expose it even more and make your face look chubby. A defined face is necessary for men who look good with buzz cuts. So if your jawline is hidden under a layer of fat, you should focus on losing it first before changing your haircut. To go along with that, you want to know your face shape. Longer faces pull off the buzz cut look easiest. Oval, diamond, and oblong faces will look great. If you have a rounder face, it doesn't mean you can't get a buzz cut. You will just need other defining features like high, prominent cheekbones. If you have a rounder face and aren't sure if a buzz cut will look good on you, don't worry, I will give you a solution later in the video. Without hair on your head, growing facial hair is what will give your face contrast. If you already have facial hair, that is great. If you don't yet, consider growing some. Even just a little goatee is all you need. A beard or stubble balances out the lack of hair up top and gives your face definition. It's the difference between looking like a model or looking like you just enlisted. A great tip is to always go into a barber and get a fade. A uniform buzz cut doesn't look nearly as good as a buzz cut fade. A buzz cut fade is short all around and just slightly longer on the top of the head than on the sides, which gives a much nicer contrast. If you're still not fully confident about buzzing it all off, try a French crop first, which is just a little longer on the top. It gives a similar aesthetic. Clean, tight, and low maintenance, but with more forgiveness and shape. This also might be the ideal option if you have a round face. I hoped you enjoyed this video on how to pull off a buzz cut. If you're still unsure, try using a face filter to get a preview. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss more content.